Hi, Ben from Tensens. We just want to show you a Legend GT setup inside a van. This particular one is for a restoration guy. He wanted as much space as possible, wanted mounted in the side of the van. So as you can see, what we've done with this particular one, to make space a lot narrower, you won't see any additional hose reels here. What we do is we make up this plug here that you can wind the pressure hose on the outside of your vacuum. That's so much faster than these little tiny reels. I hate these little tiny reels, we don't use them. So the outside circumference, this is about 3.5 meters. So you've wound this 5 times and you've done one length. So it's much faster versus doing this all the time. We've also put a retractable hose reel in this and hung the wand reel at the back. As I said, these guys mainly do a lot more restoration than they do carpet cleaning. But they're a multi-purpose business. They're not just restorations, they do a bit of both. So if you come around this side, excuse the banging that you can hear in the background. Sofa makes as much room as possible, and we want to protect the machine. We've installed a metal bar or an aluminium bar across the back so they can put the dehumidifiers up against the back and tie it on, or portables. Dave's made up a nice wand hook here to hang in here. We've also put in a retractable hose reel. You can see the retractable hose reel underneath the chemical rack. So that's live plumbed into our truck mount. So not having to wind up a water hose. So that's a 25-30 meter retractable hose reel. And we just use the garden ones, the Nilex ones. They have a 5-year warranty on them, so they're gonna last nice and long. But as you can see, you get a lot of space in. This is a second-hand van. This is actually our old service van, so we've sold this to one of our customers with a brand new truck mount in the back. So you can sort of see the sort of work that we like to do. So yeah, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about what packages or what sort of install you'd like to get done. Otherwise, jump on our website or give us an email. Cheers.